Hi everyone, I'm making this video especially for the foreign tourists who have already arrived in Sri Lanka and those who are planning to visit within the next 2 or 3 weeks. You're very lucky right now because within the next 4 to 6 weeks you'll be able to witness a very rare and beautiful event that only happens once every 12 years.
ඔව් මේක මේ ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියන්නේ අපේ මන්දබුද්ධිකයන්ට නොතේරෙන්න තමයි. දන්නවනේ ඉතින් අපේ උන් ආවොත් සීන් එක කොහමද කියලා.
අනේ වඳින්නම් අර JBL උස්සගෙන කනමදිය වගේ බීලා මේ වගේ තැන් වලට එන්නේ නැතිව වත්තේ පිපෙන මලක් බලාගෙන හිටපල්ලා please.
You come to Horton Plains, where I am right now, you can see what that extremely rare and beautiful thing is that only appears once every 12 years.
All right then, let's go inside. I'm standing right at the starting point of the Thotupola Trail. From here is where you can see the most beautiful section. Yes, I'm about to show you the great Nelia bloom that comes to Horton Plains once every 12 years. Although people call these Nelumal or Nelia Mal, the real scientific name for these flowers is Strobilanthes. The last Nelia bloom was in 2013 and now it's 2025. The flowers have bloomed again exactly 12 years later. The last great bloom in 2013 received a huge amount of hype. During that time, Horton Plains was completely flooded with both local and foreign tourists. There are approximately 350 species in this genus, and most of them can be found in regions across Asia and in Madagascar. In Sri Lanka, these flowers are locally known as Nelu. There are about 33 species found here, and 27 of them are endemic, meaning they are found only in Sri Lanka. Wow! Just look at the beauty of these flowers. This is truly amazing beauty. This time you can see these flowers in a few different colors. And these ones here are the purple Nelu, which is the species known as Strobilanthes pulcherrima.
Do not pick the flowers. Do not damage the plants. මල් කඩන්නයි පැල ගලවන් ගෙදර ගෙනියන්නයි එපා. මේවා එහෙම හරියන්නේ නැහැ. හරක් වගේ හැසිරෙන්න නම් එපා.
And here we have the blue Nelu, which is known by the name Strobilanthes sexennis.
And here we have the yellow Nelu, which is known by the name Strobilanthes calycina. These here are the white Nelu, Strobilanthes viscosa. Now, you can mostly see these when you come along the Thotupola Trail.
අනිත් එක තමයි කවුරු හරි එකේ ටොපිකොලයක් හරි බිම දානවා දැක්කොත් කනට ගහලා ඒක අරන් යන්න කියපන් මචං. බය වෙන්න එපා කිසි දෙයකට. මං කීවේ කියපන්.
Remember this well. If you see wild animals like this, never try to feed them any food you have with you.
මං ඒ කීවේ. උඹලගේ සත්ව කරුණාව ඕනේ නැහැ මේ වගේ සත්තුන්ට කැම දෙන්න හදන්න එපා. කවුරු හරි කරනවා දැක්කොත් ඌටත් එපා කියන්න ඔයාට අයිතිය තියෙනවා.
These flowers will bloom again in another 12 years, in 2037.
So don't miss this rare chance that only comes around once in many years. Habibi, come to Sri Lanka.